How are you? Hope you're doing well. I got me some new paints here and I want to open it with you. So I'm going to do an unboxing. This is going to be for novacolor paints, which I have used them in the past. And I actually did just use them the other day, but if you've never used them, I highly recommend them. So they're in Culver City, California. All right, maybe I should have opened this before I got on camera, but this is an unboxing video, so that's part of the fun, right? Unboxing, opening the box. I don't even know what I got. I got a whole bunch of colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different colors. So this is just the packing slip, obviously. I'm gonna take this out. They are a wonderful company. They're a small company in California, and I hear more and more artists talk about them. So I think they're becoming more and more popular, which is a great thing because their paint is really wonderful. It's very highly pigmented. I'm just gonna throw all this paper on the floor here, but I'm gonna unwrap them. When I opened it, it had all this paper on the top, as you saw. They pack it very well, obviously. So I'm taking that out. They actually individually wrapped each bottle. I did get the smaller bottles. They do have different sizes. This is a 4-ounce bottle. They do have larger ones. You can find them online. novacolorpaint.com. So it's N-O-V-A, Nova Color, C-O-L-O-R, paint.com. So I'm going to unwrap all these. I think it's awesome that they package it like this. The paint isn't all over the place. I like these little containers too because instead of like tube paint, you can actually tell how much you have left. And you can reuse these. Leftover paints that you have, maybe if you mix paint and you have leftover paint, put them back in here. You can store other like craft supplies, you know, obviously beads or little things like that. Ooh, some of these are wrapped twice. But they're wrapped very nice. I really do love this company. I think they're great. You get your money's worth, that's for sure. They're great paints. So I'm almost done here. Just a couple more. Ooh, this is pretty. Quinacridone Red. That one's new. Never used. I never used that one. There's a few new colors in here for me. This one I've used before. Yellow Green. I love this color. Okay, that's that. Throw that aside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wait a minute. I got 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm confused. Okay, how come? It looks like I received 2 of the raw titanium. Okay, I'm not sure why I have 2 of these. I'm just noticing now. I ordered 1 and I got 2, so I should only have 10 here. I'm gonna contact them and let them know about that. Okay, anyway, so I have 10. And what I got was, you know what? Let me get, yeah, we'll use this. I have some kind of scrap paper here. We'll put it on, but I just want to show you some of the color. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is just a cut up, you know the cardboard you get in canvases when you open a new canvas? That's what I got. That's what I'm using. So I'm just gonna use a little bit here and I'll show you. Cadmium Yellow Medium, I like this a lot. I actually have this already open over here on the side. And I've been using this lately, so I needed to replace it, so I bought a new one. But I'll use my old one because it's just about empty. But I just want to show you the colors of this paint. How vibrant it is, and the colors are amazing. So this one is Cadmium Yellow Medium. Really pretty. I should probably get some water. The next one, let's try this Quinacridone Red. It's great too because it tells you the light fastness. It tells you if it's transparent or opaque. And of course it has all this other stuff here. information on it. But I think that's really neat to have on there. Like most of the paints will tell you that, or they have that little symbol on their paints. Like, let me show you. Like, here's one of my tube paints. Okay, so this one here has a square down here, and this square means it's opaque. It doesn't say, I don't believe, anywhere on here that it's opaque. No, it just has the square, so you have to look that up and figure out what that means. Sometimes you have a square that's solid like that. Sometimes you'll have a square that's like empty and hollow, and it'll look, you know, like a, just a blank square. It won't be blacked out. And those are the transparent ones. Sometimes you'll see it with like a line across, and it's half filled in and half not filled in, and that's semi-transparent or translucent. But I like that because it tells you right here. You don't even have to figure it out. It says transparent. Look at that. So pretty. Quinacridone red. That is beautiful. So pretty. Wow. I'm gonna rinse my brush off here. This is pretty. Even the water I think is pretty. We have quinacridone purple. And this one is also transparent. Ooh. Wow. Like, I'm barely putting anything on there. I'm actually wasting half of it. I shouldn't grab so much on my brush. Okay. Ooh, so pretty. This is phthalo green. And this is transparent as well. I just got done saying I shouldn't put so much on my brush, and I went and did it again anyway. Alright, so phthalo green, transparent. I didn't realize I got so many transparent. This is yellow green, opaque. It all depends on what you want to do with your paint, so that's true. If you want to use opaque or transparent or translucent, whatever you prefer to call it. I absolutely love this color. I have this already somewhere in my cabinet back here too. Just about gone, so I got another bottle. So this is, like I said, yellow green. That's really, really pretty. That's one of my favorite colors. I'm not a huge green person, but I really love that green. And this one, ooh, how do you pronounce this? Indanthrone blue. Transparent. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Ooh, so pretty. I love blues. Blues are like some of my most favorite colors are in the blue family. So I thought I'd just do this video to give them a shout out for one thing. No, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. Probably won't even know I even did this video, but I just wanted to share with you the paints that I've been using lately and see if you might want to try them because they're amazing. This is phthalo blue. I'm gonna put this up here because I don't want it too close to that one, but this is phthalo blue. That's really pretty. Oh, phthalo blue, red shade, transparent. There are different shades in phthalo blue. I think there's a green shade. This is organic orange. Transparent. Oh boy. Now this is a pretty orange. I'm not a huge orange person, but I like that. That's a nice color. See how vibrant they are? They're just so vibrant. I love them. This is yellow ochre. Yellow iron oxide. Opaque. They all have numbers on them too. Like this is 121. Their website's great. Very simple to use. You should go check them out. Give them a try. They do have a new rewards program, which is pretty awesome. I think it's if you spend $250, you get a reward for $5 for every $250 you spend. which is easy to do. At least in my case. So yellow ochre, that's pretty. I like that. That one's opaque. I think I already said all that. And this one I got, this is raw titanium matte, and it's translucent. I have a, what do we call it? I have an unbleached titanium from Liquitex that I use, but I wanted to try this one because I feel like this is gonna be better. Oh, so pretty. Even that color is just amazing. Just the pigment in this paint is so gorgeous. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. Yeah, it's funny they sent me 2 of those. I don't know why. Yeah, must have just been a mistake. Well, I'll email them. They'll probably just tell me to keep it because they're a great company. They're a great small company, and I love to, you know, support them. So, but anyway, they'll probably tell me to keep it, which is wonderful of them. But we will see. I'll just reach out to them and let them know. So here's the colors, but check this out. Look at the vibrancy on these. They're so pretty. And now this one's already like drying. I can dry these a little bit too with my hair dryer for you, but this one's already drying. Let me do that and I'll show you. All right, so obviously I don't have multiple layers here. I just have like one little layer. So you can kind of see the white through this one here. But if you had multiple layers, you wouldn't see that. You know, but if you like that, these are, that one's, that wasn't phthalo. That one was that other Indian Throne blue. This is the phthalo blue. But look how they dry. Look at the colors. I mean, they're mostly dry. There's some big globs here on the edges that aren't dry yet, but I want to spend 10 minutes trying to dry it. This is dry. This right here, this is really pretty. This is dry, this is dry. And that's how they dry. They dry just like you see here, which is amazing. You know, and then if they do darken up a little bit, what happens is when you varnish your paintings or whatever you're working on, it brings the color back anyway. But these stay very vibrant and you will love them. And I recommend them. So that's what I have for you. I know it was a short video. Hopefully this was helpful for you if you've been thinking about trying novacolor paints. Give them a try. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know if you found this helpful, if you've tried them, if you ever used them before. Maybe you're already using them and do you like them? I would love to hear from you. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate that, and it helps me out here and it helps other people find my channel as well. So have a wonderful day and I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.